taxi driver ta karon guys. Magkuha ta sa to ang students. La 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 na 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 na. Nice lights. Jollibee. How much the gas? $3. Jollibee guys. McDonald's dito. So hurry down the chimney tonight. Ta-dang, dang, ta-dang. Tampog na po guys. Nag-cart na jud pa karon guys. Happy Thursday. Aray. Katugnaw, kadampog. Yan tayo mag-uwan guys. O mag-snow. Mag-snow ng karon. Tugnawa naman lang. Katug. Asang hustisya ani guys. Ha? Dagang kain snow. Oh, di ba? Yung mo taga-scramble guys. Aray. Alright guys. Drive na ta sa snow guys, ha? So, first time in the snow. Driving in the snow. See you guys. Musin ako guys. Siyaw. Alright guys, hinay-hinay lang ta guys. Dali ang nakapundok sa snow guys. Pundok snow. Okay mo na ta guys. Cream guys. Wow. Taasan na silang snow. Ayan, hinay lang ta guys. Maguwang rin isang magdagan guys. O manghod. Kusog bandagan hanin mo guys. Raminta ta guys. Oh my gulay guys. This is the day we wash our car. Baka mag-snow. Guys, basta atong feet.